Hey there! Today let's explore tags in Pepper Cloud CRM. First, let us understand what are tags. Tags are unique identifiers that helps you in segmenting, filtering, and managing records in a CRM. Now, let's show you how to create and manage tags in Pepper Cloud CRM. Navigate to Tags in Business module. Here, you can either create a new tag or edit the existing tags by changing their name and color. Let's create a new tag here by adding a tag name. To edit or customize the existing tags, click on Tags and do the necessary changes. You can also create tags in Message module in the similar way. Now, let's learn about adding and managing tags on records and conversations. To add tags to a record, right-click on any lead that you want to add a tag to and select Tags. Here you can add or delete the tags and update the changes. To add or delete tags for multiple records at once, select two or more records for which you want to add or delete tags. After selecting the records, click on the Action drop-down and select the Tags option. Click on the Add Tags button or the Remove Tags button depending on what action you want to undertake. Choose the tags that you want to add or delete and update the changes. Tags can also be added or deleted from conversations in the Message module. Choose a conversation in the Message module. Click on the Add or Remove Tags button over here. Choose tags that you want to add and click on the cross for tags that you want to remove. Now, let's see how these tags can help you search for records in the CRM. Apply Quick Filter and choose a tag to list out all the records associated with it. You can also use the same for Advanced Filter. You can search for records using tags by entering their name in the search bar. Start exploring now.